Hello guys! In today's video, we will talk about different potting media and how much water they actually retain right after this. And we're back! We have lava rock, pumice, sand, regular soil, garden soil with raw rice hulls, garden soil with carbonized rice hulls, and carbonized rice hulls. While you watch this video, please observe these points. First, how loose they are. Second, how inorganic stands out against organic when it comes to water retention. Why? Because cacti and succulents need to have loose soil that drains water fast. Okay, let's start with lava rock. This is inorganic. Lava rock is very loose and does not stick to each other. This is a porous material which lets water and air pass through easily. Have small holes, which is a trait of volcanic rocks. It retains about half of our 100 ml water mark. Next is pumice, also inorganic. We can see the pumice is very loose too. It does not stick to each other. This is also a porous material which lets water and air pass through easily. These have small holes, which is a trait of volcanic rocks. Pumice retains water more than half. Some people use 100% pumice for their succulents. Sand. This is inorganic. Sand is also very loose, but retains more water than lava rock and pumice. Unlike lava rock and pumice, sand don't have small holes. The finer the sand, the more water it retains. It retains water a little more than half of our 100 ml mark. Regular soil is inorganic. Soil is also very loose when dry. Regular soil compressed and hardened over time, and air cannot pass through. As we know, roots need air. It's amazing to see that it retains water as much as rock materials do. Now, let's move to organic types of mix with organic media types. First is carbonized rice hulls. This is organic, very loose when dry, but tend to stick to each other when wet. Benefits of using charcoal are soil conditioner, reduce rat and fungus problems, and retains nutrients. This is the only downside. It retains lots of water. Garden soil with carbonized rice hulls. This will be our basis when buying garden soil with charcoal. Since there is an organic mix, it retains a little more water. In this test, it retains about 75% of the water. Last is garden soil with raw rice hulls. This will be our basis when buying garden soil with raw organic material. Raw rice hulls acts as a fertilizer in the long run as it slowly decays. This mix retains more water but lesser than the previous mix with carbonized rice hulls. In this test, it retains about 60% of water. Let's compare side by side. Now we know that inorganic media retains lesser water than organic media. Charcoal retains more water than raw organic matter. We can still use little charcoal for succulents and cacti because of its benefits. In our next video, we will show our personal soil mix and the result of water retention test. Please comment below what you learned in this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Happy succulents gardening!